In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split an 808 region in Soundtrap. If you're working on a beat and want to tighten up your low end, splitting your 808 is a simple way to control transitions, add pauses, or rearrange your bass hits without re-recording. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, go to Soundtrap. Open it in your browser and log into your account so you have access to your saved work. Once you're in, head to your projects. This is where all your sessions live. Take a moment to find the project that contains the 808 you're editing and select your project to open it. When the project loads, click on Studio to enter the main editing workspace. This is where you'll see your track lanes, regions, and timeline. Give the page a second to fully load, especially if your project has lots of tracks or plugins. Locate the 808 layer you want to cut. In Soundtrap, a layer typically refers to the region or clip on a track, and your 808 might be an audio region or a MIDI region inside a track labeled accordingly. If you've color-coded or named your tracks, that can make this quicker. Visually confirm you're looking at the correct layer so you don't edit the wrong sound. Now right-click on the 808 layer you want to cut. A small context menu will appear with editing options. From that menu, click on Split Region. Soundtrap will split the selected layer into separate pieces at the current point. If your playhead is visible on the timeline, the split typically happens at that position, so be mindful of where it's sitting before you make the cut. If you need extra precision, zooming in on the timeline can help you line things up more accurately. After the split, you'll see the 808 region divided into two clips. This is a non-destructive edit, which means your original audio or MIDI content is still intact, just separated, so you can move, mute, fade, or process each piece independently without losing anything. If something doesn't look right, you can undo and try again. That's all there is to it. You went to Soundtrap, logged in, opened your project in the studio, right-clicked the 808 layer, and used Split Region to cut it cleanly. With that done, you have precise control over your bass arrangement and transitions. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.